Hi students, welcome back to the channel. Today we want to discuss 8th standard science matter around us part 2. Already we discussed types of matter, symbols of various elements, physical properties of metals, non-metals and metalloids in the matter around us part 1 video. For this video we want to learn compound, classification of compound, compounds in solid, compounds in liquid and uses of compounds. So first we move to what is compound. A compound is a pure substance which is formed due to the chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. The properties of a compound are different from those of its constituent. For example, in water, two hydrogen atoms combine with one oxygen atom to form a compound. In ammonia, three hydrogen atoms combine with one nitrogen atom to form a compound. Next, we move to classification of compound. Based on the origin of chemical constituents, compounds are classified as inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Number 1, inorganic compounds. So this type of compounds obtained from non-living sources such as rock, minerals, etc. are called inorganic compounds. For example, salt, water and oxygen. Number 2, organic compounds. Compounds obtained from living sources such as plants, animals, etc. are called organic compound. For example, carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Both inorganic and organic compounds exist in all three states of matter, that is, solid, liquids and gases. So in this video, we want to learn some important compounds in solids, liquids and gaseous state. So first we move to compounds in liquids. For example, sodium chloride is a compound. It's having constituents sodium plus chlorine. Then water is a compound is having hydrogen and oxygen constituents. Copper 2 sulfate having copper and sulfur plus oxygen. Then carbon dioxide is a compound is having carbon plus oxygen. Number 2, compounds in liquid. Some important compounds that exist in liquid state are given as follows. Number 1, water. The water contains the constituent element is hydrogen plus oxygen. Number 2, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen plus chlorine. Number 3, nitric acid. It contains hydrogen, nitrogen plus oxygen. Then fourth one is sulfuric acid. It contains hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Then last one is acetic acid, that is vinegar. It contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Number 3, compounds in gas. Some important compounds that exist in gaseous state are given as follows. Number 1, carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide contains carbon plus oxygen elements. Number 2, sulfur dioxide. It contains sulfur plus oxygen. Number 3, methane. The methane contains carbon and hydrogen. Nitrogen dioxide. It contains nitrogen and oxygen. Ammonia, nitrogen plus hydrogen. The next we move to uses of compounds. Number 1, water. Chemical name of the water is hydrogen oxide. Constituent present in the water is hydrogen and oxygen. It is used for drinking and as solvent. Number 2, table salt. Chemical name sodium chloride. Constituents sodium and chlorine. Uses essential component of our daily diet, preservative for meat and fish. Number 3, sugar. Chemical name sucrose. Constituents are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is used in the preparation of sweets, toffees and fruit juices. Number 4, baking soda. Chemical name sodium bicarbonate. Constituents sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. It is used in the fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder and preparation of cakes and breads. Number 5, washing soda. Chemical name sodium carbonate. Constituents sodium, carbon and oxygen. It is used as cleaning agent in soap and softening of hot water. Number 6. Bleaching powder. Chemical name calcium oxychloride. Constituents calcium, oxygen and chlorine. It is used as bleaching agent, disinfectant and sterilization of drinking water. Number 7. Quicklime. Chemical name calcium oxide. Constituents calcium and oxygen. It is used in the manufacturing of cement and glass. Number 8. Slack lime. Chemical name calcium hydroxide. Constituents calcium, oxygen and hydrogen. It is used in whitewashing of walls. Number 9. Limestone. Chemical name calcium carbonate. Constituents calcium, carbon and oxygen. It is used in the preparation of chalk pieces. If you have any doubts and suggestions, give your feedback to the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.